Hola, this is Ivan, and we are here at Don Tequila's Mexican restaurant in beautiful Canton, Ohio. And I want to show you something. It's something that is made with guacamole. It's fresh, and they can make it in front of your table. Guys, this is nice, this is fresh, avocados. It's good for your health. So let's go inside, and I want to show you what they have here. Don Tequilas. Mister, how are you doing today? Doing good. Remember always the locus.com. That's where you can get their coupons, their discounts, their specials. It's DELOCUS.com. You can get coupons, you can get discounts, you can get specials. And we are gonna show you now how to make a guacamole Don Tequila style. So let's see it. Hey Juan, my friend, how are we doing today? Good? Hey guys, how are you? So let's see how we make quick guacamole, nice and fresh. They make it in front of you. So what's that? That's avocado, and what else do you have there? You have some tomatoes, cilantro. You have everything. Look at that. Some salt. Garlic. Oh, that's a good one. I didn't know that. Look at that, huh? And this goes well with a good margarita, guys. Look at that. Guacamole cart.
All right.
Here at Don Tequila's in Canton, Ohio. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Let's see what we have over here. Don Tequila, Canton, Ohio. Beautiful paintings. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it. We hope to see you here today. It's Friday. It's, what time is it, Jose, right now?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock? 4 o'clock, guys. You are gonna get out of work at 5. You have an hour. We see you here at 5:30. Get your guacamole, free chips, free salsa, and a good margarita. Remember, these guys, they have daily specials every day, every single day, along with their discounts and coupons. We hope to see you here, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.